What's up, guys? I might sound a little bit different. Some allergies, my nose is stuffed. So my pitching tutorial. I'm gonna throw 10 pitches. So, yep, hopefully I don't expose my school schedule. First up is fastball. Stop! God dang! Oh crap. I'm gonna put it up here. Oh my god! Jesus. Oops. Okay. I know why! It's just so windy. Alright, fastball. I either rip it like this, right at the whole beginning, or like this. Hopefully I don't use my schedule. Or like this, or like around here. Do it. You're gonna go like 3/4 or overhand. Right. You do 3 pitches. Alright, pitch number 2. Not very good at throwing that fastball, but oh yeah, by the way, it's a 4-seam fastball, just so you know. On to pitch number 2, the changeup. So, just like the fastball, you want to grip it around here. But instead of using these 2 fingers, your middle and your index, and use your ring and your middle. So, I feel weird at the start, so you want to do a ring right there. Instead of the ball. And then, same as fastball, is 3/4 or all the way over. Alright, last pitch for the changeup. Next pitch, the curveball, and then 3 pitches. This is how you hold it. Holds it. There's a lot of people that do this, but I use it like index and like fastball grip, like this. Holes on the right. Gonna flick it, and you're gonna go like 3/4. Sadly, none is zone. So, to my next pitch, same like the fastball. It's my change curve, so same around here. Oop, here, flip it again. You have a ring again. So it's easy to pitch to learn, I guess. Still comfortable. also the S word on live television. Next up is my slider. I throw it different than most people. This is how most people throw it. Middle on the right side of the holes. Index on the middle of the ball, and then your thumb right here. I usually just throw it like this, middle finger. Oh my god, it's a kitty! Saw a kitty. Don't want to film it. So, because there's like so many houses nearby, I don't want to reveal my location. Right here, so you draw it. The ring on the right of the holes, middle finger, middle, and yep. Yeah, that's alright. Next up, you got the dropper. So stinker. This is one of my favorite pitches now. I used to grip it like this. Now same as fastball grip. I think in baseball it's called one seam fastball. So this, it's like a screwball that I don't throw. This is gonna go on their hand. It's side up. I just did that. At least one hit the zone. Oh, two actually, and it broke my. Oh, that's the other one. Kinda. All right, fast curve slash viper, whatever I called it in one of the videos. My seventh pitch. We have three more. Ready? This boom. See that hole? Boom. Or to that knuckle right there. You are gonna flick it. Oh yeah, guys. To like make it curve better, let me just show my face. You want to like scuff out the ball, sand it, or like cut it, cheese grater, as people say. I'm just having right 8th pitch riser, 2 more to go. Not this one though. Same as a slider. Or you can do it like this. It's just basically like the sinker. Easy way to do it like this. It doesn't really rise for me, but under, sidearm. And then 3 more pitches. Alright, second to last one. It's my knuckleball. So knuckleball pitch. So I usually just do it anywhere. Usually most people thumb on the top and knuckle. So your fingers on the ball. Or I do it other way. Or just all around the ball. So I'll throw it. 3 pitches. Everything go over. Don't flick it. Don't twist it. We'll just do that. Try to push your fingers against the ball. All right, last pitch. All right, this pitch just warmed up. So get a wiffleball, right this slider. You just wanna. There's 2 ways: curveball grit in real life, like this, and you're just gonna overhand or a little bit like this. That. So like sweeps. And then, or you can do it like this. Or that cat. This just instead of doing it like this, you're just gonna like that. Okay. I'll do both. Alright guys, I guess that's it. That was my pitching tutorial. If I learn new pitches, I'll post again. Damn, it's 13 minutes, almost 14 minutes long. So more videos coming soon. Might do a home run derby with each bat. I can actually show you all the bats. Just trying to get all my pitching balls. Alright. So I have a wiffleball bat, a blitzball bat, and this green bat. I don't know, I call it green 25 green or green 25. But yep. That's it. Have a great day. I'm gonna post a video soon. And okay. I guess next video is gonna be. I might do it today because it's just around 5 to 7 p.m. See you guys. Train video. Train video. Bye.